no, sir. She means a lot to me. I mean, I care. I love Rachel. Oh, but not in that way. I mean, I'm not in love with her. I love her like a friend. Oh, really? That's how you treat a friend. You get her in trouble, and then you refuse to marry her. Hey, I offered to marry her, but I didn't want to. Well, why not? So you could spend your time with this. I'm sorry. Dr. Green. Mona. Dr. Green. Applause. How could you have kept all of this from me? I was going to tell you, but what? You figured you get what you wanted, then you dump her like you did Rachel. Hey, I did not dump Rachel, nor are we still together. Oh, why don't we just let the machine get that? Hey, Ross. It's Joey. There's a hooker over here, and we thought maybe you'd know something about it. No, I need to lie down. Hey, everybody. Hey, happy Thanksgiving. Hey, happy Thanksgiving, peeps. Hey, what's going on, Joe? I need a good lie. Oh, okay. How about the whole man walking on the moon thing? You know, you can see the strings, people. No, I need a good lie to explain why I wasn't at a work thing today. Oh, honey, you stink at lying. Well, I do not. Oh, really? Okay, let me ask you something. Yesterday at the coffee house, I went to the bathroom, and when I came back, my muffin was gone. Who took it? Somebody opened the door to the coffee house, and a raccoon came running in and went straight for your muffin. I said, hey, don't eat that. That's Phoebe's. And he said, Joey, you stink at lying. What am I going to do? Don't worry. We'll come up with a good lie. I'll help you practice it. Oh, great. That would be great. Thank you. Sure. What was the work thing? Pick up grandma at the airport. Oh, man. Oh, look at her. So happy. If only there were a smaller one to clean this one. Hey, is this Chandler here? No, he's picking up dinner. Why? What's up? All, look. Whatever happens, we're here for you and we love you. All right. We think Chandler might be having an affair. What? Phoebe and I saw Chandler with a blonde woman today outside on the street, and then we followed them to a house in Westchester. They went in together. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. That's awful. What did you think of the house? What? Monica, you understand what we are saying, right? Yeah, sure. And I'm devastated, obviously. Did you think the neighborhood was homey? Hey, you son of a, is it me or have the greetings gone downhill around here? B and Rachel saw you with Nancy today, and they think you are having an affair. Who's Nancy? What's going on? Okay, alright. Guys, you better sit down. This is pretty big. Yeah, I'm not having an affair. Nancy is our realtor. I knew he couldn't be with a woman for 45 minutes. Nice car. Yeah, it's not mine. I love your car. Yeah, it's mine. I bet it's fast. Me too. Yeah, and comfortable. Do you like leather seats? Yeah, it's got them. Music? Yeah, she tops out at 130. Wow, and that's just in the city. I get her up to 160 when I take her upstate. Really? You got a place upstate? Sure. Well, I'll see you later. Okay, take it easy. Hey, that's my car. Really? Oh, but just give me 5 more minutes with it. What are you doing? Oh, well, I found the keys and now I'm just polishing her. But it's my car. Yeah, but it's my wax. Listen, I don't come to this city much, and I don't know if you are crazy or if this is some kind of street theater, but could I have my keys? Sure. Here, I'll save your parking spot. Not coming back. Why not? I live upstate. Yeah, so did I. I am going to go drive my Porsche. Joey, you know you don't actually have one. Come on. What are you doing? I'm in character. Will you talk to her? Hey. Careful around my Porsche. Hi, Joey. Hey, how you doing? He has the most amazing Porsche under there. I'd love to show you, but I just tucked her in. She's sleeping. Hey, would you two girls like to go for a drink? How was your week? Oh, it was good. It was actually the baby started kicking. How exciting. Yeah, I know. Oh, it was amazing. The only sad thing is I wasn't around when it happened for the first time. Oh, no. Yeah, I know. And I was missing out on all this other stuff too. So, Joey suggested Rachel move in with me. Yeah, right. What? Joey cracks me up. It's like, yeah, why don't you have your ex-wife move in with you? That wouldn't be awkward at all. Hey, could you imagine? I go away for a few days. I come back and my boyfriend is living with some woman. He got pregnant. So, what would you tell him? What are you? Hi. what are you doing here? I'm supposed to pick you up. Change of plans. I made you a special Valentine's dinner. Surprise. Hey. Oh, hey, Mona. Hi. Or hi, Rachel. What's she doing here? I have no idea. I'll be watching TV if anybody needs me. Seriously, what is she doing? You know, lately she just likes hanging out here. Why? I think she's lonely. Okay, but it's Valentine's Day. Can't we just ask her to go? Well, no, she's way too emotional. And by emotional, I mean Christy. I'm not here. That's just my Chinese food. Oh my god, she has food delivered here. Yes, she's emotional, but ballsy. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get in my sweats and eat this in bed. And you thought you was going to be in our way. So, okay, why don't you open the champagne and I will be right back. I've got a surprise for you. Not so silly anymore. And what's cool is the character is from Naples, right? Yeah, my whole family's from Naples. That's great. Okay, well, I've heard everything I need to hear. We just need to Leslie. Joey, this is the awkward part. Oh, hey, right. Not a problem. I totally understand. You need to, make sure I don't have any horrible scars or tattoos. Don't you worry. I have nothing to hide. So, there you go. That's me. 100% natural. Laughter. Are your eyes so wide? You tell me. Maybe it's because I was just fooling around with my ex. Oh, no. That was you. Oh my god. Alright. How did you know? Joey told me he saw you two kissing in the park. No, in his office. How many kisses were there? Just those two. Why was there kissing? There should be no kissing. Oh, I'm sorry, honey. I'm so sorry. I just what happened was I can't breathe. Did you get me a bag or something? Here, there. It's the receipt. I'll take it. Copy the bill. We hope you enjoyed your stay. Oh, we did. And you still have all your lamps. I didn't factor in the room tax. Oh, dude, don't worry about it. I found an unattended maid's card. We are way ahead of the game. Oh my god. What? There's something new in the ball. Look, we have enough. Just walk away. No, but I want the pine cones. There's a forest right outside. It's not the same. Okay, go quick. Go. Thank you for a delightful stay. My maple candy. Listen, you want anything to drink cause I'm heading up there? Yeah, I'll take a coffee. Thanks man. Sure. Coffee? No coffee cause I'm going up there. Oh, no. Thank you. Do you guys need anything? Cause I'm heading up there. I'd love a ice water. You got it. Joey, what are you doing? Just being friendly. Joey, honey, I don't think you are supposed to go back there. What's going on? Why didn't you tell us you work here? Well, that was kind of embarrassing, I mean, I was an actor. Now I'm a waiter supposed to go in the other direction. So's your apron. You are wearing it like a cape. I mean, the job's easy and the money's good, and I guess if I'm going to be hanging out here anyway, I might as well get paid for it, right? Just feel kind of weird serving you guys, Joey, come on. I did it and it was fine. Yeah, why would it be weird? Hey, Joey, can I get some coffee? Okay, I guess it doesn't seem that weird. Seriously, I asked you before. You still haven't gotten it. Now it's weird again. I think it's great that you work here. You are going to make a lot of money. And here is your first tip. Don Yellow Snow 215 Coffee House. Excited about our wedding plans. And I guess pretty soon we'll be making a big withdrawal from the Monica wedding fund. What? You tell her, Jack, I can't do it. What happened? You still have the Monica wedding fund, don't you? We have it. Only now we call it the beach house. I can't believe you spent my wedding fund on the beach house. We are sorry, honey, but we just assumed if you got married after you turned 30, you'd pay for it yourself. You bought the beach house when I was 23, which means you had 7 years of beach fun and you can't put a price on that, sweetie. I really do feel bad about this though. We started saving again when you were dating Richard, but then that went to hell, so we redid the kitchen. What about when I started dating Chandler? Well, it was Chandler. We didn't think he'd ever propose. Clearly, I did not start drinking enough at the start of the meal. I can't believe it that there is no money for my wedding. We might still have some money if your father hadn't thought it was a good idea to sell ice over the internet. It seemed like such a simple idea. Stupid, Jack. The word is stupid. Alright, enough. I don't want to hear about it anymore. Good luck, Chandler. Hey, I'm here. Oh my god. You like it? Oh my god. It's my new apothecary table. Ross, Stevie is going to be here any second. She cannot see this. Oh, why not? She'll love it. It's the real thing. I got it at Pottery Barn. I know you did. I bought the same one. And if she sees your table, she's going to know that I lied to her. I told her that ours wasn't original. Why did you do that? Because she hates Pottery Barn. She hates Pottery Barn. I know. She says it's all mass-produced. Nothing is authentic. And everyone winds up having the same stuff. So come on. She is going to be here any second. Can we please just cover this up with something, please? What? No, I am not going to hide it from Phoebe. Oh, although I did get some great Pottery Barn sheets. Oh, I forgot they made sheets. Yeah, I still can't believe she hates Pottery Barn. Ross, get over it. It's not like she hates you. Yeah, but Pottery Barn, when I think she's weird, it's because she's a twin. Twins are weird. Ross, she's not weird. She just likes her stuff to be one of a kind. You know what's not one of a kind? A twin. Hey. Oh, Phoebe's here. Okay, so let's turn on all the lights and we'll just watch the movie. Okay. Ooh, cool sheet. Oh, you like it? You want to know where I got it? Sure. They got it at a flea market. You bought your sheets at a flea market. Ross, come on. You got to loosen the purse strings a little. Music, laughter. Hey babes, can you please not put your feet up on my new old sheet? My apothecary table. What? No, Ross, where did you get this? I got it at Pottery Barn. Okay. Oh my god. Baby, Pottery Barn has ripped off the design of our antique. Wow. Oh my god.